Kung mahal mo ang sarili mo at ang pamilya mo, huwag mo munang i-scroll. Makinig ka muna. Alam niyo ba, sa sobrang busy nating pag-aalaga sa family natin, nakakalimutan na nating alagaan ang sarili nating health. Kaya naman, isa sa mga non-negotiable dito sa bahay ay ang trusted naming health supplement na Cardiclear at Wonder Oil ng Organica Nutrition. Bahagi na ito ng aking daily wellness routine. Simpleng routine lang pero malaki ang tulong sa pag-prioritize ng healthy lifestyle. Personally, gusto ko itong Cardiclear kasi formulated ito with cold water fish oil, a natural source of omega-3, at may lemon extract kaya wala itong fishy aftertaste. Cardiclear is for adults who wants to take better care of their heart health. It helps supports normal heart function and many more. And best paired with balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. At super easy lang kasi you need to take one soft gel capsule daily after meal. Kaya naman, simulan na ang ating healthy lifestyle with Cardiclear and Wonder Oil from Organica Nutrition. Grab yours na!